This is a Xiaofei raft. It's 2.5 meters long, full of air, and weighs in at only 3.5 kg. It's strong, light, portable, and it's designed for only one occupant. But we've never bowed to the laws of physics before on this channel, and we're not about to start now. We're gonna put 2 people in this tiny craft, and then we're gonna sail it down Shogun River all the way to the ocean. We have to get there first. This is day 4 of our scooter road trip, and we just woke up in Yuli. I'm tired, sore, everywhere hurts, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a good day because we have danbing. It comes in a bag because there's only takeaway here. Danbing in a bag. Today, having a lazy day. For those of you who haven't done a lot of Huandaos, the pro move is taking the 193. It's so much better than the 9. It's faster, it's more beautiful, there's less traffic. It is super, super nice. And on the way, we can go to Tiefin Waterfall, which is like an easy, just nice place to go. Tiefin Pabu. Whoa, looks like this place has been abandoned. Checking out the campsite. Look, it's been completely abandoned. It's all overgrown and everything. There's no... Oh, you think it's just because it's been a COVID for a few weeks, months? This is like a super nice campsite. They even have a wood-burning hot water heater for hot showers. How cool is that? We're not here to camp anyway. Just go straight to the waterfall. Wow. This sounds crazy, but there's no water. Here I am, walking in the river, not even getting my toes wet. How is there no water? This is ridiculous. I hear water. Maybe it's just like really loud because it's in this canyon, so it echoes. It's tiny. Oh, it's not that tiny. So, plan A is a bust, but plan B or plan 2 after A is just to enjoy the 193. This is a fantastic road. If you like riding motorcycles, this is the road to be on. This is the road for you. Oh my goodness, I got hit in the face with a butterfly. Welcome to Raceway, sunny Raceway, Hualien. Beautiful little town, the center for sort of the only semi-rafting experience you can get in Taiwan if you don't do it yourself. They have like a commercial rafting business here on a holiday without COVID. There are just so many boats. It's really amazing. The reason I call it a semi-rafting experience is because the people in the boat don't really have control. They're using kind of like fake paddles. Everybody's given a paddle that's not big enough to control the boat in any way. And then these rafts are sort of strung together in kind of like a train and pulled by motorboats. And this is probably done because Shogun Shi, for the most part, is a relatively calm river. So most of the time, it would be, you know, basically nothing going on. And rather slow. You'd have to paddle a lot, and you know, then there's like 2 or 3 places with small rapids. I think there would be a lot of opportunities for real rafting experiences in Taiwan on many of the rivers that are more exciting, but smaller, shallower, and you could have an actual guide. Hey, well, Huanda, guys, impressed with how much we can put on a scooter? Everything here is closed. Quite an effect on business. Normally this is a very vibrant place. You can see all the tourist areas are just shut down. Found one place, can't eat inside, nowhere can eat inside, but they have dumplings and fried rice, which is kind of an easy thing to take. Ooh, dumplings. No restaurant would let us eat anywhere, so now we're just literally eating right under a bridge. Now we are on the beautiful Hualien 64, one of my favorite scootering roads. To our right is the Shogun Shi, which we are going to raft down. skip the first half because although it's pretty beautiful, it's very boring. And we'll just go right to the Chime rafting stop and go from there. We'll go all the way down. And Nikki, he's been on the show quite a few times. You should remember him from this video here. He will pick us up at the end and drive us back to the scooter. This is a bag pump. It's not the fastest way to pump up a boat, but it's only about 30 grams, so it's really ideal for hiking, especially if you're going to go long distances. And we can use the wind to fill it up. Once it's almost all the way full, then we'll switch to the one-way valve. Boom, pop this in. That screws right on. There we go. Just to top it off, 4 or 5 blows with your mouth, and it'll be done. Get the well-pumped macras. Now ready to go. I am coming. River. Check this out. Yachi's wearing my shui mui because on day 2 she was sunburned real bad. And on also, day 3 she was cut up real bad. Nothing happened to me, so now she wised up and wore a shui mui. So this is a one size too big for her because it's mine, but still it'll protect her from the sun and the scratches. Oh, it's big. Our first place in the river where we need to stop and scout. Looks okay, but we can't see around the corner. And the rule of the river is, when in doubt, scout. Looks pretty easy. Straight through. Don't get caught in that eddy, just go straight through. That's fine. Let's hop back in. It's like a little tuft of hair. Look at the face. He has more hair than I do. From here, it's like a pig. Look. So now we're at the lazy part of the river. Just relax, take a nap. drink a beer, enjoy this beautiful, beautiful weather. Everything tastes better when you're in a boat. That's what happens sometimes if you don't take any action on the river. We can ride this wave train all the way to the ocean. We arrived. Whew, not bad. Average about 3 meters a second, same as it always seems to work out. Pretty good truck. Yeah. There he is.
Wow, nice.
Okay, check it out.
Wow, what's this?
And my new pack wrap.
It's different people use it.
Yeah, no, these are new.
It's not heavy.
Yeah, about 3.5 kg.
因为它很轻诶，可以几个人
One Nicky or 2 shell pins?
Okay. How many times you use it?
10.
Still look very new.
Yeah, this fabric is called TPU.
TPU?
Yeah, thermal polyurethane, and it's pretty strong. Fits in your bag.
Wow.
Oh, there's the ocean. And we just came from up there. So beautiful here on the East Coast. Now we are heading south. Maybe take another 5 days to get back to Kaohsiung, and we'll check things out on the ocean side. We are crossing the Tropic of Cancer. Monument right here is what separates the north and the south. Look at that. Everybody stops, take a picture. Nicky's coming with us to go camping and through the raft and some other stuff in his car. So check this out. Haven't had this for a while. Leg room. Now we're in Changbin, just headed to the mountain. It was a last minute decision, just seeing what time it was, and saw that on my map of everything there should be waterfalls around here, but we don't know if there's water. So I just sort of looked and saw like this road kind of just goes in towards the mountain, and you know, there's a place maybe by the river to camp. We'll go check it out. But my, is this a beautiful landscape. It's unbelievable. It's just like so flat, and then all of a sudden the mountains just rise up. I'm hoping for the trifecta here. A nice place you can pull off on the side of the road, a river with water in it, so you have a little place to jump in and shower. Also fast internet coming up on the river now. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Hey, there's a little bit of water. I thought just to camp in here. Look at this guy on my scooter. It's like a spider across the road, and then it like landed on my scooter. It's got a moth. Woohoo! We did it. We did it. We got a place to camp. It looks perfect. And there's water. So we got, 2 out of 3. We didn't get the full trifecta. There's no place to swim, but there is water in the river, which means that we will be able to find a waterfall up there.